2005 में अप्रैल में I got Mr. Ramesh Salwan as my boss. And 10 साल बाद I am proud to say that he is one of the best friends I have. So he is an industry leader with 22 years of work experience. He's worked in the IT industry, he's worked in telecom, and for the last 3 years he's running his own business. So he will share his life wisdom. And जब भी मुझे कोई doubt होता है या मैं अपनी life में कुछ decision लेता हूँ, I give him a call, and he gives me the advice like an elder brother to me. So he is here to share his experience with all of you.
Idea was to just interact with you. If we are able to give you some hint in terms of what is it that is required as an individual, right? आप अभी इस situation में जहाँ पे कि अभी आप graduation कर रहे हैं, then आप बाहर निकलेंगे, you will try to maybe somebody will try to pursue further studies. कई लोगों में जो job के लिए try करेंगे. So you are in a situation wherein it's a perfect stage, I would say, जहाँ पे कि there will be certain points which will be very important from and as an individual, I would say, right? मैं सिर्फ 2-3 चीज़ें जो बताने की कोशिश करूँगा जो मेरी 22 साल की जो एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया. I've worked with lot of people, lot of teams, with various capabilities, so much so that I had somebody who was just a 10th pass, 12th pass, right? He came for a job, to somebody who had passed out from an IIM college of MBA. So I'm saying very experienced from this much to that much. मेरे को सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ जो मेरे को समझ में आई कि which I found, which I probably in this session also, which I try to check with you. Most of us we just flow with the tide, right? We agree to that. हमें ये नहीं पता कि हमने करना क्या आगे जाके, हम बस चले जा रहे हैं. It's just like 8-8:30 बजे सभी लोग उतरते हैं, सभी मेट्रो में जाना है, किसने गाजियाबाद जाना है, किसने उदार का जाना है, किसने कोई किसी को नहीं देख रहा है, बस कूद पड़ो, right? That's a race. And I'm sure you would have seen this movie 3 Idiots, right? कितना इन्फ्लुएंस हुआ इस मूवी का देखने के बाद में आप लोगों को? बहुत ज़्यादा. Which were the characters which influenced you the most out of that movie? आमिर खान, वो जो प्रोफेसर था जिसने पूरी जिंदगी लगा दी उसका राइट. सो मैंने भी उस मूवी को देख के मैंने कुछ मैसेजेस जो मेरे को समझ में आई वाज वन थिंग व्हिच वाज वेरी क्लियर टू मी वाज एज एन इंडिविजुअल फर्स्ट आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू आई कैरी विद मी, राइट? बाकी चीज़ें तो सब बाद में आ जाएंगी. पहले मेरे को ये तो पता लगे कि मैं क्या हूँ, मुझे क्या करना है, मुझ में क्या शक्ति है, मुझ में. Every individual has his or her own strengths, certain weaknesses. Nobody is perfect, right? We agree to that, है ना? तो सबसे पहली चीज़ ये है कि पहले मैं खुद को तो जान लूँ. मैं बाकी सबको जानता हूँ, मेरे को फ्रेंड्स का भी पता है, उसके पेरेंट्स का भी पता है, उसके बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड सब पता है, लेकिन मुझे यही नहीं पता कि मैं खुद क्या हूँ, right? So it's a very important thing which I learned in this 22 years of my experiences. First, understand yourself. अगर आपने खुद को एक बार जान लिया, understanding doesn't mean career wise only, right? Understanding is as an individual, as I said, you have your own strengths which may not be something which any other person would carry on. Maybe your close friends, not necessarily that they will be exact replica of you, right? Once you do that exercise, then rest of the things will all fall in place. आपने करियर के बारे में सोचना है, आपने मैरिज के बारे में सोचनी है, आपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स के बारे में सोचना है. All things will fall in place. Because हम फ्रेंड्स भी जब बनाते हैं तो हम अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से बनाते हैं, right? Somebody who is very close to us does share some kind of a frequency with us. That's the reason they become close to us, right? So one was understand you as a personality, what you carry. Then formulate your own strategy going forward. If I focus right now in terms of career and jobs and all, right? किसी में कम्युनिकेशन अच्छी होगी, किसी में कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा होगा, किसी में राइटिंग एबिलिटी अच्छी होगी, किसी में ड्रामेटिक्स अच्छा होगा, दैट विल हेल्प यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ शेपिंग योर ओन करियर. अभी तक हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आप पेरेंट्स डिसाइड हमने क्या करना है, राइट? फ्रॉम खाना बनने से मे भी शायद अब आज की डेट में शायद चेंज हो गया, राइट? बट वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि हमने करना क्या है, कौन सा कॉलेज ज्वाइन करना है, कौन सा कोर्स करना है. और जब तक हम पहुंच जाते हैं उस लेवल पे जहाँ पे हम खुद सोचने की कोशिश करते हैं, तब तक बहुत देर हो चुकी है. And I've seen such careers. I'm saying I'm a perfect example of myself. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं किसी और की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I was so good in sports, right? मैं 9th 10th में I had represent nationals badminton में, and there was an opportunity for me to go to Schools Game Federation India का camp लगता है जहाँ पे कि I could have pursued that forward. But as usual, I got a dose कि भाई अब 10th आ गया तुम्हारा, अब 10th की तरफ ध्यान दो. तो ध्यान दिया मैंने 10th की तरफ. खेल तो फिर वो उसमें फोकस ना नहीं उतना. हर एक पेरेंट चाहता है कि they just pass on the legacy with their children. So I tried with my child also, but then I saw he had no interest in sports. Right? Now what was it then? There were two things which I could have done. मारपीट को उसको मैं सीधा कर देता कि नहीं भाई तूने खेलना ही है. But I didn't do it because I felt that कि यार उसको मैं ये करके I'm not going to achieve anything out of it. Right? He started playing drums. He has a fascination for music, instruments. He started into drums. It is just 1 month he has been learning drums, and the feedback from his teacher is he's fantastic. Right? So what did I try to do? Listen to his capability, understand his strength, and put him into that. So this is exactly what the situation is with us today. You all are going to be out sooner or later. You all are going to be into the corporate world. Now the choice is with you. What is it that you want to do? Earn money, then find anything, and you will try achieving, getting into your favorite companies, colleges, right? And most of us may be able to get into them, but then rest of the people who may not be able to get into such institutes or certain jobs which they would aspire for, what then? So they will continue dragging for the rest of their life, right? फिर उसमें क्या होगा? There will be a point in time in your life when you will feel that नहीं यार ये तो मजा नहीं आ रहा. That will be the time when you will be earning money also, but then somehow वो satisfaction, वो तो spark जो होगा ना वो it will not be there. Again related to the same movie, Three Idiots. What did it, right? So I'll not take it much further. I'm only trying to take every individual, every youngsters, every such people who are on the verge when either they are looking for a job or a career or anything. And my humble request is to first understand what is your strength, what is you as a personality, and then pursue that. You may not start right as Mosmi said. You may not be becoming manager right in overnight. You have to start from a scratch. You will have to do a hard work. You have to slog initially, but then that's where it will prove to be a foundation for your long innings, because it's not 1 year, 2 years, it's a long 30 years of working service which you will do. So understand yourself, your strengths, and then accordingly you can choose your field, even if it is education or if it is further studies or career. So I'll just sum it up, I'll not take it further, but then this is what the message I wanted to share with you.
It's a 3-year course LLB after BCom. So मैंने काफ़ी लोगों से सुना है कि स्ट्रगल बहुत है अगर आपकी फैमिली से ऑलरेडी इसमें कोई नहीं है, तो मुझे उसी बात में अगर फैमिली ऑलरेडी कोई है मतलब उसमें लॉ में तो ठीक है ना, बहुत स्ट्रगल है.
But you can, after you finish your LLB, you can join a law firm, which is a corporate law firm, Delhi में तो बहुत सारे हैं, and that can be your base. एक बार एक base बन गया तो उसके बाद struggle different life में नहीं है. मैंने struggle नहीं किया. जो पहला corporate lawyer होगा उसने पहले corporate lawyer ने भी कोई तो struggle की होगी, उसकी family तो corporate lawyer
It's
नहीं.
like it takes 7 to 8 years for
कुछ भी करने के लिए इतना टाइम लगेगा.
Maybe
पढ़ाई
15
पास
years.
करने के लिए भी उतना टाइम लगा था. यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए 17 साल लगे. 7-8 साल. 7-8 साल में मैं मैनेजर कर गई. शायद आप ही कर.
जिस सचिन तेंदुलकर को हम जानते हैं, do you know how much effort and time and energy he used to put into that? Amita Singh, he is only known for running, right? I'm talking about characters which we all know. ठीक है?
तो that matter आमिर खान, उसकी पहली मूवी से वो आमिर खान नहीं बन गया था.
So if we think कि हम बस shortcut करके we want to rise in life, I think that shortcut will maybe give us an instant gratification, but it will not be. वो कहते हैं सोना तभी निकलता है जब वो तब के बाद आता है. It's a very interesting incident which I have, again another influence on me. There were these two friends who were just sitting in the park and then just chatting around. So one of their friends saw there was a cocoon, पता है? So there was a cocoon which was there, and then he saw there was a caterpillar which was trying to come out. The butterfly was trying to come out of it, right? Now the other friend saw, he said, he felt sympathetic. He said, यार ये तो उसको बड़ा struggle करना पड़ रहा है, पता नहीं बचेगी नहीं बचेगी. So he said, let me help. As she was emerging out of it, so what he did was to help that butterfly. He cut the cocoon. Okay, but then that butterfly couldn't fly. It fell. Now he was very surprised. He just asked his friend. He said, यार मैंने तो उसकी मदद की, इसका तो आधा काम मैंने कर दिया. कहते जो तुमने काम किया, that was important for her because that struggle was something which gave power to its wings. If that wings could not be strong, it could not fly. Right? So that struggle is something that is important. Please have that situation wherein if you have to toil, you have to work hard, because that is something which will make you for your life.